Dull knives are dangerous knives, and no one wants to work with a dull knife. Knife sharpening services, they're expensive, and they can leave you with weakened knives. Hi, I'm Steve Ziegler, product expert at the Webster store. Well, dull knives and sharpening services can be a thing of the past with the Chef's Choice Model 310. This Chef's Choice electric knife sharpener will give you a professional edge with amateur simplicity. 100% diamond abrasives will hone your edge to a razor sharpness. The angle guides are here to make sure that you set just the right edge every time with no more guesswork like with sharpening stones or steels. There are even magnets on the side of these edges to make sure that it holds the knife in place. I cannot emphasize enough, anyone can do this. Now let me show you how. First, make sure that you have a solid work surface. You can see that the Model 310 has suction cups on the bottom to help keep it steady. You have two sets of slots here. The first ones right here are for sharpening, and this one right here is for honing. Let's find a dull knife and turn the unit on. What you want to do is put the knife in at the heel and bring it towards you. Slowly, steadily. You don't need to put too much downward pressure on there. For a 10-inch knife, it's about 5 seconds per pull. For a 6-inch knife, it would be 3 seconds. Because this sets a different type of edge from the factory edge, it's an actually much stronger and more durable edge, you'll need to break in the knife at first by giving it 20 passes the first time. Resharpening then only takes 8 to 10 passes through these slots. Now before finishing, we're going to give this a few fast pulls. And this is how we'll finish up the sharpening phase. Now on to the honing phase. In this stage, you're going to use very little downward pressure and then just alternate your passes from the left to the right, just like you did with the sharpening stage. Again, we're going to go slow. We'll slowly do it about 4 to 6 times, and then we're going to follow up by using 8 to 12 very fast passes. And that should just about do it. Let me turn this off and wipe off the blade. And let's test this out on one of our tomatoes here. I just picked these up this morning at our local Amish stand. That is where we buy tomatoes here in Lancaster County. And you can see we can cut very fine slices on an extremely ripe tomato with this knife. I love the Chef's Choice electric knife sharpener. The thing I really love about it is, in addition to everything else, it comes with a very clear instruction book. It's very thorough, completely written in English, very easy to follow. But if you have any questions about this knife sharpener or any of our products, again, you can use our live chat button and speak with one of our wonderful and very friendly customer service agents.